Kawasaki Ninja 400, a motorcycle that redefines the lightweight sport bike category. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the Ninja 400 offers an unbeatable combination of power, agility, and style. At first glance, the Ninja 400's sharp, aggressive styling demands attention. Inspired by its bigger siblings in the Ninja family, this bike boasts a race-ready design that looks fast, even when it's standing still. But this bike isn't just about looks. Underneath the fairing lies a potent 399cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, responsive power. With 49 horsepower at your disposal, the Ninja 400 has enough punch to keep up with the best in its class, while remaining beginner-friendly. One of the most impressive features of the Ninja 400 is its versatility. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, hitting the twisty backroads, or cruising on the highway, this bike delivers confidence and control at every turn. With a lightweight chassis, weighing just 168 kilograms, the Ninja 400 is easy to handle, especially for new riders. And thanks to the upgraded ABS braking system, you can stop with precision, even in challenging conditions. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the Ninja 400 features an upright seating position and a fully digital instrument panel, providing all the information you need at a glance. And let's not forget about the attention this bike commands. The Ninja 400's iconic styling, available in a range of bold colors, ensures you'll turn heads wherever you go. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is more than just a motorcycle. It's the perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality. For riders looking for an all-around champion, this script is designed to highlight the key features of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 in an engaging and informative way, appealing to both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. This is the bike that will take you from your daily commute to your weekend adventures.